Legal billing and matter management platforms versus traditional law firm billing. Which one is better for profitability? Most law firms think simply tracking hours is enough to maximize profitability, but the surprising truth is that traditional billing processes often leave money on the table. Choosing the right system for billing and matter management can dramatically impact a firm's bottom line. Legal billing and matter management platforms centralize billing, case tracking, and reporting. They automate routine tasks like time entry, invoice generation, and client notifications, reducing errors and ensuring every billable hour is captured. For example, a firm using a modern platform can instantly see unbilled work, overdue invoices, and project profitability in real time, which traditional manual systems often miss. These platforms also integrate with accounting and Scrum tools, giving a full picture of financial health. Traditional law firm billing, by contrast, relies heavily on manual processes, spreadsheets, and human oversight. While this approach works for small firms, it is prone to delays, missed billable hours, and inconsistent client reporting. Mid-sized firms using traditional methods may lose thousands of dollars per month simply due to inefficiencies in tracking time and managing multiple matters. The key difference is automation and data visibility versus manual effort. Platforms provide actionable insights, optimize workflows, and reduce administrative overhead, which translates directly into higher profitability. Traditional billing may be familiar, but it limits scalability and often slows down cash flow. Many firms adopt a hybrid approach. They keep manual oversight for sensitive matters while using platforms to automate recurring tasks and reporting. The takeaway is simple. The right platform not only streamlines billing, but also identifies revenue leaks before they happen. The surprising truth is that firms that embrace technology see faster collections, better matter profitability, and less administrative burnout. In today's competitive legal market, leveraging billing and matter management platforms isn't just convenient, it's a strategic advantage for sustainable profitability.